Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, is going to be on my Boxyluxe for December. I'm pretty sure you guys know it's a regularly $21 subscription, and then every 3 months they do this gigantic Boxyluxe for $21 plus $28.99, and we get over $300 worth of goodies in the box. So this is the second box. I did post my September box and I was super excited for that. So this box is our December box and I'm super excited for this. So let's jump right into this. So now that we got the box open, this is what it looks like inside. Has the big gigantic Boxycharm pamphlet in here. It has all the products in there. Here's everything still packaged away. So let's see what we got. So first we got our LUXE brush set, and I'm gonna tally everything up. So this is 65. So we got our LUXE brush set, and this is a full face, complete face set. And these are the brushes right here. I do have some of these brushes already because Boxycharms does give them out throughout the year. So, but this is a full face set. Ooh, it comes with, you can leave it in the container, this, and leave it like this so it's complete and closed. So it comes with a round top blender, a tapered highlighting, pro precision, tapered blending, eye shading, flat definer, a brow and lash spoolie, and a lip brush. So those are all the brushes that you get in the face brush set, and this is a $65 value. So that alone is already more than the box. Next is a mini on-the-go straightener, and this alone is $75. So we're gonna go ahead and mark that down. And this thing is so tiny, you can see from my hand of how big it is. It is perfect for like if you need to keep it in your purse, and it does come with a little travel case. And I got the one of baby blue. I know they had different colors, so I think this is perfect for on the go. We also got a this is a body wash infused buffer, and this retails for $20. So we're gonna put plus 20, and let's take it out of the box. So it looks like a star sponge, and it is super hard. So like, mine says Blossom Bliss, and it's for multiple uses, and it's also good because it cleanses and exfoliates and massages and nourishes your skin all in one. Next, we got this Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is anti-day wrinkle cream, and this retails for $89. So this is an $89 product, and it's full size. So this is what it looks like right here, and let's see how it smells. Next, we have this Lorac Pro Pomade. This retails for $24, and it's just a mascara, which I love. This is a weird applicator. Do you see that? It like tilts to the side, but I guess that's really good to really get in those lashes. From if you do it this way, it's gonna get right into your inner corner, and if you do it the other way, it's gonna get right in your outer corner. So that's really good. I love to get mascaras, so I'm excited to try this. We also got this Glam AF. This is their Crimes of Beauty wristlet plus a portable charger. So it's pretty big. So you see, it's bigger than my hand. I really don't care for what it says in the front, but I like the glam part. It has a little pocket inside. I think you can even fit the straightener in here. Yeah, you can. So that's cool. And then it comes with a portable charger for your phone. I'm not gonna lie, it does feel really cheap. Like if you drop it, it will break. But to have as a backup, not bad. But don't be disappointed if when you get this, because it feels super duper cheap. And this retails for 22 bucks. Next is this Wonder Beauty Wonderness Dusk Till Dawn, and this is a Dusk to Dawn blush highlight palette. And let's see this. Ooh, Tucson Sunrise, Havana Nights, and City Lights. These are your colors right there. It's super pretty. I think the pan sizes are really small. I do not even, I know I could fit my highlight into the highlight, but the other palettes are really small. The pan sizes are really, really small, but not bad. And that retails for 26 bucks. Next we have Tarte. Everybody loves them some Tarte. This is Strike Gold, and this retails for 20 bucks. And it is a shimmery lip paint. Ooh, I don't know if I would wear this. So that's what it looks like right here. Excuse my chip nails. They're wonky to his. Let's see. It doesn't even seem like a lip paint. It seems more like a gloss. So this is the gloss right there. Well, it says shimmering lip paint, but looks more like a gloss to me. And let's see. Ooh, last but not least, yes, we got the Violet Voss Pro HG palette, and this retails for $45. Get my little handy dandy tool and rip this bad boy open. Well, not really rip, because I hate when my products look so gross. Wow. This is my first Violet Voss palette, so I'm super excited for this. I've never purchased one before, so when I saw that we were going to get this in this Boxyluxe, I was super excited to give it a try. And these are the colors. Ooh, the pan sizes look pretty big. Ooh, look at these. Isn't that gorgeous? Yes, these are beautiful colors. So yes, guys, that's everything that I got in this month's Boxyluxe. My box retails for $386, and I paid like I don't even know how much. The 21 plus the $28.99 is what I paid for my box. And what I'm most excited for this month is the Violet Voss and the brushes. You can never go wrong with having a lot of brushes in your collection. So that's what I'm loving this month. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And that's it for today. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.